What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your boy Pablo Banks, and I'm happy. I'm back to my base, and the mic is now working perfectly fine. Not the one I used in the other place. And like you can see the title of this video, how to edit your journal template. Because I got a message from one of my students that he wanted to edit my journal template, but he couldn't because he doesn't know how. Though he has duplicated the template, but he doesn't know how to edit it. So instead of me holding a private session with him, explaining to him how he can edit his Notion template, so I decided to why not do a YouTube video on it and show it again how you can edit a Notion template in 2023. So this Notion, I'm not going to go through this Notion because this Notion is a very complicated one, and it's from my friend Rhino Ways. Shout out to Rhino Ways. He was the one that gave me this template. I just duplicated it and I started making use of it. So this is how the Notion template looks like. It's very complicated. Like I can't just go through everything because it has a lot of things. This key performance indicator, if I open it now, like your head will blow. He did a lot of work here. Kudos to him. But I'm going to go to the normal template that my student asked me to edit for him, and that's what we're going to be using for this video specifically. So I will have to take permission from him to talk about this template. So if he agrees and said, okay, why not go on and with the template, I will be happy to release the template to you guys. And yeah, but I'm not sure you can actually edit what he edited here because it's very too much. I had to call him on phone on Telegram video call for him to coach me and guide me on how I'm going to do it. So that is it. So this is my June record. This is how I ended the June loss. So but this is new month. Yeah, new month, July. I've not recorded anything on July. As you can see, July is still empty. Look at the month, July. July is still empty, and yeah, look at it. Still monthly return is still zero. Everything is still zero. So nothing on July yet. And this is my London session, and this is my New York session. This is the time I trade, and this is my Notion template. So nothing here. But if I want to journal a trade, I'll have to tap on one. Let me say on this one, add item. It's taking a lot of time because yeah, I'm either going to choose Outlook, but at times I do daily Outlook before I can enter a trade, and then I do. You can take this one for trade. If you enter a trade, you can click on trade, but it's a whole lot of things. I'm going to go over it in the next video, but let me just move straight to the one I was talking about. So I guess this is the one that he was talking about, but I'm not sure this is the one I shared, but this is how the template looks like because the picture he sent me is similar to this. Let me know if I can get the picture. Okay, yeah, I think this is it. It was like the link was directing me to your other templates, and I have this already. So he said that he wants to edit this. I don't know if this is what he wants, but I'm going to walk you guys through on how to edit this particular one. I've done this video before, and I will still do it, and I'm doing it again now, so that you guys wouldn't have any reason to message me on Telegram or ask me for link. Because most of them are messaging me on Telegram, where's the link to the Notion template, where is this? I'm going to go through it now and show you guys. Okay, he was like, to be honest, this view looks organized. How do I go about arranging my journal this way for the sake of backtesting? Okay, for the sake of backtesting. So if I'm in famous shoes and you want to use this Notion template for backtesting, look at what I did 2021, my backtest 2021. So I'm going to look for a clean. These are my backtest in 2020, 2021, 2023, Q1 and Q2. If I change the Q1 only, if I change to the other journal. So I don't know what to. Okay, I'll share this one. My backtest, which is 44 trades. I'm going to duplicate this template. I'm going to duplicating means I'm going to divide it into two. And when I divide it into two, I'm going to wipe out everything that is here, and then share with you guys. This is my backtesting way back that I did when I started trading SMC 2021. So this is the first backtesting I did. Duplicate, and yeah, I'm going to write it for my YouTube subscribers, of my YouTube viewers, for you. So if you get this template, you can do it whatever you want to do. I'll show you how to do it. So there's a lot of things I'm going to delete here. This is mainly for, I did it for people that trade smart money concepts. You can edit it. I'll show you how to edit everything. I can show you how to edit everything. It's not complicated and it's not hard. So yeah, this is it. For this A part, is just where you put your, I think, number of trade. Yeah, yes. Then pair, you choose the pair that you want to put, GPUSD, USD, anything. You can equally add pair. You can equally add, let's say, USD card. Sorry, you can equally add pair, cap lock, USD card. You can click on create. When you click on create, if you don't like the color, you change the color from here. Choose any color you like, green or anything you like, and choose it, and it will change. Mind you, in this session you can only add one pair, because this is going to be a one trade, understand? So if you are taking one trade for that particular day, I didn't add the day, I'm going to add a day template. If you put USD card, let me add date. Look at what I clicked on this plus button here, plus, and you go to date. Yeah, shift it to this side. This should come first before pair. Yeah, come on. Dates, when you click here, July 1, you can include time. That I don't include time because I join after I enter the trade, so I forgot the time easily. But if you're a person that includes time, you can include time, change your time here, and choose the pair. You can choose USD card, any pair. If you choose EMG, this one USD card will remove. This is for one trade. This is for the first trade. Then position, long or short, long. And this is for SM. This one is for smart money concept. If you are trading smart money concept, you have to know the side you're trading. Maybe either are trading pro trend. Pro trend, it means the actual trend. It's going up. You're trending up. You're taking the long. You understand? So if you're trading to high time frame, you know how it is. If you are holding your trade to a high time frame or something like that, or you're trying to scale moving to a high time frame, that's probably when you can choose pro trend or into high time frame. Then you can include liquidity sweeps. These are things that I traded before trend chain. You can actually add your own style of trading. Anything you want to add, you can add it this way, the way you added your pair. Yeah. So confluence, what are confluence are we waiting for? Is it 1 hour mitigation block? Is it 1 hour mitigation? Okay, 15 minutes to find entry, 3 minutes confirmation entry. Boom. It is complete. Then keynote, you can write whatever you want to write for as a keynote. Then you can add your screenshot. I will change this so that you can actually add trading view link. You can actually view link, but if you don't want to add trading view link, you can change the property, edit property. You can actually change it to go to media. Where is media? Yeah, files and media. Then when you click on this, you can actually choose file from your computer, and you want to change to the file from. Then This part is, yeah, you can choose the RR you made. You risk, even for risk. I think you are risking one R, just 1%. You just change the percentage. I change it to percentage plus percentage. Yeah, risking. Okay, you made 1%. Let's say what you made 1%. You made, let me just say you made 3% on this rate. You change the percent. You made 3% on this. No. It's not what I meant. You made 3% on this trade. Your risk was actually 1%. Okay, this is your target. I think this is your target, and this is what I will delete this one. It's not necessary. This one is your risk percentage, and this is your actual return. It's just 5%. You made 5% on this trade, and status win or loss. Win. It's very simple. Look at it, comes down here to your to the ones you made. But assuming you lost this trade, you lost a trade, you actually put 1 minus 1. It will change automatically to 4% for the month. This one I've been using, but I found one that is more cool than this one and more, you know, I don't know how to put it, but maybe I'll take permission from Rhino Ways. If he said I should share it with you guys, fine, I'll share it with you guys. And if you say that I shouldn't share, it is what it is, bro. So that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and use the link in the description to get this Notion template. I'm going to share it with you guys by God's ways. It won't crash this time around. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.